Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab Max, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications, expand them and locate the toggle for the power saving mode, which for me it's on the second page and it's called battery saver. Once you find the toggle, tap on it. As you can see, it lowers the brightness of your display even though it's still at max. That's completely normal. And there is probably a couple things that are going to be happening in the background, like mobile data and also Wi-Fi will be turned off when the tablet is not being used. So when it's basically like the screen is off, if it's in this kind of state for a couple of minutes, it's going to go into sleep mode and disconnect from mobile network and Wi-Fi to save battery. But because of that, you won't be getting any kind of notifications that would be requiring internet connection. So Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp and so on will not give you any kind of new messages as long as you're not using the tablet. Now when you wake it up again like I just did, it will automatically reconnect and everything should be synced up. That was just missing. And once you're done with the actual power saving mode, you can find it again, tap on the toggle and it will turn off and everything will go back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.